Yn y fideo yma, fyddwn edrych ar fwy o wybodaeth am cwrs Lefel 2 BTEC Busnes gan Pearson Edexcel. Mae'r cwrs wedi cael ei rhannu mewn 4 uned o waith, 2 yn flwyddyn 10 ac 2 yn flwyddyn 11. Yn y flwyddyn gyntaf, byddwn yn edrych ar uned 1, sef cyflwyniad i busnes, lle rydym yn edrych sut i sefydlu busnes ac i'w rhedeg. Hefyd, byddwn yn edrych ar uned 2, sef yr arholiad sydd i'w wneud gyda cyllid.
Hi, I'm Peter Jones. At the Peter Jones Enterprise Academy, we know how important it is for young, ambitious people to get the right education in order to kickstart their careers. With today's employers demanding so much more than just a certificate, here are my top 5 reasons why I choose BTEC. Number 1 is readiness. BTEC courses give you real hands-on experience in your chosen vocation. It's what I call learning by doing and means you'll be genuinely job ready. Number 2 is employability. If you're job ready, you'll be sought after. BTEC helps students get the skills that today's employers are looking for. Number 3 is standout. As more employers like me expect new recruits to have vocational skills and academic knowledge, a BTEC makes your CV stand out. Number 4 is relevance. BTEC courses are designed with the help of teachers, employers and universities. This keeps the BTEC curriculum relevant for today's job market. And finally, number 5 is reputation. BTEC is considered the gold standard of vocational learning, and that's the qualification you should have on your CV. That's why I set up the Peter Jones Enterprise Academy, and that's why I choose BTEC.
Ym flwyddyn 11, fyddwn yn edrych ar uned 3 ac uned 4. Fydd uned 3 yn edrych ar menter o fewn byd busnes ac uned 4 datblygu a hyrwyddo brand. Bydd y cwrs yn cael ei asesu trwy gwneud gwaith o fewn ystafelloedd cyfrifiaduron yn yr ysgol. Fydd y gwaith yn cael ei marcio, wedyn trwy system gwiriad mewnol ac wedyn gwiriad trwy samplu allanol. Mae graddau o fewn y cwrs yn ymrwyo o lefel 1 i fyny at lefel 2 pas, sydd yn cyfartal i C, merit cyfartal i B, distinction cyfartal i A distinction seren cyfartal i A seren. Rydym yn defnyddio Google Classrooms, Google Drive ac wrth gwrs wedi bod yn ffrydio byw. In Year 11, we will look at enterprise in the business world and also developing and promoting a brand. The course will be assessed through completion of work within the ICT suites, where the work will be marked, internally assessed and externally sampled. The grade ranges from Level 1 to Level 2 Pass, which is equivalent to a C grade, Level 2 Merit, equivalent to a B grade, Level 2 Distinction, equivalent to an A grade, and Level 2 Distinction Star, equivalent to an A star. We use Google Classrooms, Google Drive, and of course, we've been live streaming. Year 10, you're hired.